Hello, Flat Earth researchers, debaters and debunkers. One of the most commonly used yet completely false assumptions of proof that we live on a globe is watching ships disappear from the hull up as they go off over the horizon. You may have heard people claiming that roads and rows of pylons appearing to bend down towards the horizon in the distance are also proof of curvature. And of course we all know that sunsets are supposed to be because the Earth is turning and we are watching the sun go down behind a curve. However, it can be easily demonstrated that these assumptions are merely descriptions to fit the narrative that we are on a spinning ball Earth, when in fact all of these observations can be made over a flat surface across a very short distance, which is what we'll see here, looking along this road on top of a dam. This is a straight stretch of road across the top of the dam, and then the road goes around the reservoir. Looking at it from Google Earth, I measured the distance from where I was stood with the camera to where it starts to turn off around the rest of the lake, and we got 650 meters, so just over half a kilometer. Not very far at all. So by putting the camera on the ground, we get a similar perspective to that of someone standing on the shore watching a ship go off into the distance across the sea. Keeping in mind that while any surface in nature can be flat, it will always be rugged and never completely smooth like an artificial surface. So first off, we can see this optical phenomenon going on with the railings, which is exactly the same as what is seen in photographs of the causeway and the power lines going across Lake Pontchartrain in the United States, with the claim that this is proof of curvature, when in fact we can see exactly the same thing happening here with these railings. We are below the railings and they appear to bend down towards this band of convergence. The yellow line is the camera's eye level, and the camera's quite level now, so we can see that there is this band of convergence above what appears to be this horizon line of the surface. But this horizontal line is not where the surface begins to curve away from us in any way. It is just as far as we can see from this low perspective before the surface beyond it begins mirroring.